Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. And I also want to thank everyone that has joined over the last week. I really appreciate it. The numbers are up. Keep it up. Thanks. All right, what we have here today is a standard detail on a mid-size SUV. This package includes bug and tar remover, foam soap, windows in and out, air freshener, tires, wheels cleaned and dressed, and spray wax. The interior includes the dash, all the crevices, cup holders, vents, door jambs, vacuum the interior, and interior dressing. If you can fulfill a need, you will be necessary. Start your mobile detailing business today. There is a need for it. Some of you are tired of leaving your faith in the hands of someone else. I remember working a 9 to 5. For the most part, I didn't like it. There were some good times, but mostly I remember the bad. I didn't like the fact that I had to ask for permission to take a day off or take my family on vacation. I didn't like working for a rude and incompetent boss. The only thing I kind of liked was a steady paycheck, but I always wished there was more. So when push came to shove, I left my job and started A&A with $500 and a pickup truck. That was 10 years ago. I started with $20 washes. I was fortunate enough to purchase a water tank for around $90, a generator for about $100, a pressure washer for $200, and a shop vac for $100. I grabbed some chemicals that was already laying around my house and got started. That setup I just described was merely thrown together in the back of my pickup truck. Once water came out my pressure washer and the vacuum cleaner turned on, I knew I had something. I knew I could complete a vehicle. Anything else as far as equipment, I could figure it out later. So now I need customers. I was mowing lawns at the time and decided to offer my detailing services to my lawn care customers. And in a week, I earned my $500 back. As passerbys would drive by, they would stop and ask me for my business cards, and I quickly obliged. I began to grow from there. If you would like to donate to the channel, feel free to do so. My Cash App and Venmo is listed in the description and in the comment section, or you can click the Thanks tab. This will assist me in creating these videos. I want to thank everyone that has donated on the last video. I really appreciate it. Those $20 car washes really brought me a lot of cars. At that price point, I got a lot of filthy vehicles under my belt, so I know how to clean a dirty car. I also had the opportunity to learn about vehicles on the detail side of things. The volume allowed me to perfect my customer service skills. I've dealt with a lot of people successfully. If you can't deal or you're scared of women, then don't get into this business, because chances are most of your customers will be women. Women are going to be your best customers because the convenience that mobile detailing offers. You know, women love convenience. Everyone loves convenience. Most of my customers are women. The reason most mobile detailers aren't successful because most aren't willing to do what it takes. Now, I'm not saying you have to start at low prices. That isn't necessary, but you may have to travel further than you may like, clean some dirty vehicles, work in extreme weather, and work long hours for low pay. If you're not willing to do that, then stay at the 9 to 5. Anyone that wants to do this can, but it's not for everyone. If you're on the outside looking in, you'll say, how hard could this be? He's just cleaning cars. This is true, but it's not that simple when you add managing customers, paying taxes, the physical and mental stress that the business can put you through. I started with $20 car washes on average, and over a decade later, my average price is $250. I pretty much did the same thing for over 10 years and got better with it. I guess there's nothing wrong with rinse and repeat. Michael and Kobe did it for years, and they are known to be one of the best that has ever played the game. Doing the same thing over and over ain't bad because you're constantly updating and getting better. That's why it looks so easy. It was hard to make it look this easy. It's not going to happen overnight. Most of us think too much about detailing when planning to start our businesses. Then, when you're officially ready to start offering services, you quickly realize that you have no customers. You also realize that getting customers is a whole other task. That's why I recommend that you get started as soon as you can. Get enough chemicals and equipment to complete a detail. Don't overdo it. You can waste a lot of money and time buying everything you think you need. Then you're stuck with an investment that you won't get a return on. If you need mentoring or consulting, please reach out. My email is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.